our next vinyl wrap project, Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. The car is currently just regular black. This is gonna be the wrap we're using. Let's unbox it for the first time. Have you seen this color before?
This color? No, actually, this color I have not.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
You ready? Still gonna see the color.
Oh.
Caribbean Shimmer.
No, bro, it's called Caribbean. Caribbean. That's really nice. It kind of looks like ocean water. That's why the name is Caribbean. Wow, what a change.
It's a flip too. Mirrors, carbon fiber.
Oh, okay. So carbon fiber accents, but mainly the car's gonna be in this color. First piece is laid on, guys. Look at that. It's cool. It looks like ocean water, doesn't it? Kind of seaweedy. Definitely doesn't look like Galveston, because Galveston would be brown, but I guess normal oceans would look like this.
I don't know, because I live in Texas, but I'm assuming.
Yeah.
This is a dope color. I approve of this one. I approve this message.
One whole single sheet for this entire side. We're gonna cover the door, top of the door, rear quarter, and the front fender, and like the side skirt bottom piece. One reason as to why we're doing it this way is because since this is a shimmer film, it has kind of a translucent effect to it. If you lay it all in one piece, it kind of helps with the effect and making it look as seamless as possible versus doing it piece by piece by piece. If you're standing over here on one side, the whole shimmer will look very even. So now we're on the mirrors for the Challenger. It's black right now, but we're going to be doing these in carbon fiber. Give it a nice little accent piece. Good luck, Sean.
Thank you, really appreciate it.
I may not be able to help you, but I can at least stand next to you. Because I'm present.
I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do this right here, onto this, cut it here, and then wrap this whole way. Ideally, you need to do.
We talked about this in the Wrap Dojo. There's a secret lesson that I taught you for situations like this. Lesson 00.
00? This is before all the Wrap Dojos? What?
This is the very first lesson you
never
learned.
taught me 00.
This is the very
ever in all the videos I've ever seen.
00 is taught at the end.
Makes no sense. It's the first thing.
Quit while you're ahead, you motherfucker.
It's a secret lesson.
Yes, that's actually exactly what I'm gonna do on these mirrors. Alright, Ayla, you wrap this.
What? That's oh. God damn it. Alright guys, not a problem. We can do this. This color makes me happy, guys. Look at this color. It's freaking insane. Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. Look at this freaking color. Oh, this is such a cool color. My voice is cracked. Really digging these color shifting wraps. It adds so much more detail and depth to the color. It's just so unique since it's not something you normally get from paint. It's just really cool. One of our main objectives when it comes to wrapping a car is to make sure that it looks as clean as possible. And what that means is, well, doing anything and everything we can in one singular piece. Because the less amount of seams that we have, the better. The whole car is covered in this Caribbean Shimmer vinyl wrap that you guys see. It has like this bluish, greenish color to it, and it just looks really nice, especially when the sun hits it. You get the blue and the green at the same time, and you even get some purple in the mix too. It's like a three-tone finish almost. Like just from this angle, you guys can see all three colors. The purple right here, and then the bluish, and then the green here is just really cool. And the fact that it's satin, it really just brings out the body line, especially on the hood. It just looks so mean. We did add some accent pieces. So for the mirrors, we actually wrapped those in carbon fiber just to kind of break it up a little bit and give it a bit of a sportier feel. Came out so nicely. And same thing with the rear spoiler, just a nice little accent piece, especially in the back, just to give it some contrast. Incredibly happy with how this one came out. Love doing these really bright, fun colors. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this. I love this color. It's always a lot of fun doing these vibrant colors, so hit us up if you want to wrap your cars. All right guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. We're about to wrap this up. We want to work on your cars, so hit us up. Our contact info in the description down below. And if you like that wrap job, guess what? We are starting on another one. So stay tuned to see what color this is gonna be. We will see you next time.